Introduction Maya. Hi there. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of personal development and business growth. Today, we're going to talk about something that's on the minds of many entrepreneurs, turning an idea into a successful business. So, what does it take to go from a spark of creativity to a thriving empire? Let's dive in and find out. Identifying your idea Maya. The first step in turning your idea into a business is to identify it clearly. What problem do you want to solve? What need do you want to fill? Write down your idea as specifically as possible. For example, I want to create a mobile app that helps people find healthy restaurants near their location. Validating your idea Maya. Once you have a clear idea, it's essential to validate it. Talk to potential customers, ask for feedback, and see if there's a genuine demand for your product or service. This will help you avoid wasting time and resources on an idea that may not fly. Defining your target market Maya. Who is your ideal customer? What are their pain points, values, and behaviors? Defining your target market will help you create a product or service that resonates with them. For instance, if you're creating a healthy restaurant finder app, your target market might be health-conscious millennials. Building a business plan Maya. A business plan is a roadmap for your company. It should include details about your mission, vision, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure you have a clear direction and are willing to adapt as you go. Securing funding Maya. To turn your idea into a reality, you'll likely need funding. Explore options like crowdfunding, loans, grants, or investors. Be prepared to pitch your idea and demonstrate its potential for growth. Overcoming common pitfalls Maya. One of the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make is underestimating the time and resources required to build a successful business. Others may overestimate their own abilities or ignore market trends. Be aware of these pitfalls and take steps to mitigate them. Building a strong team Maya. As your business grows, you'll need to build a team to support you. Hire people who share your vision and values, and empower them to make decisions. Remember, you can't do it alone. Surround yourself with talented and dedicated individuals. Measuring success Maya. How will you measure the success of your business? Track key performance indicators like revenue growth, customer acquisition, and retention rates. Use data to inform your decisions and make adjustments as needed. Staying agile Maya. The business landscape is constantly changing. Stay agile by being open to new ideas, adapting to market trends, and embracing innovation. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and maintain your edge. Building a strong brand Maya. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's an identity that reflects your values and mission. Develop a strong brand that resonates with your target market and sets you apart from the competition. Conclusion Maya. Turning your idea into a successful business requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember to validate your idea, build a strong team, and stay agile. With persistence and the right strategy, you can turn your idea into a thriving empire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal development and business growth content. Recap and call to action Maya. In today's video, we covered the key steps to turning an idea into a business: identifying your idea, validating it, defining your target market, building a business plan, securing funding, overcoming common pitfalls, building a strong team, measuring success, staying agile, and building a strong brand. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment below. And if you're ready to turn your idea into a reality, subscribe to our channel for more business growth and personal development tips.